Sanibonani, welcome back to Umkosini Philile Ngiyabonga kakhulu for clicking again to this particular video. Thank you so much. So yeah, you guys, sisala kusiphethe udaba lukaViyokazi, you guys lokulotsholwa kukaViyokazi Ncikweni indoda yakhe ke entsha ukuthi uXolani Sabelo onguchef ke laphana you guys Masiloku sikhulumile ngale ndaba kunabantu kade bethe bona Mpumelelo was found shaking. So bengihlekisa ileyo nto you guys kuma kuthi Mpumelelo was found shaking abantu bethi hayi Mpumelelo akaposti kulamalanga akaposti ever since nje kuthi uViyokazi elotsholwe ngathi hayi inhliziyo ngathi ayihleli kahle ngathi akekho right angazi mhlambe baqinisile mhlambe hayi uyaposta yena ngempela ngibone ipost yakhe laphana enengane yakhe ka-Instagram upostile uMpumelelo laphana ekhuluma ngengane zakhe ngizonifundela ukuthi utheni laphana ngengane zakhe yeke abantu bethi was found checking mhlambe nje iyamhlupha le ndaba kodwa ukhuluma ngabantwana bakhe ke lana you guys uthe yena zingane zami lapha enikhona nihlale nazi ukuthi ubaba uyanithanda ningabulawa indlala ubaba ekhona le posting ngiyenza ngoba angifuni manikhula kuthiwe engani lahla iqiniso niyolithola kunyoko ngoba impi yakhe le ukube bekwenye insizwa fanele ngabe nginqobe ekseni le mpi bekwenye insizwa fanele engabe nginqobe ekseni le mpi Mhlophekazi sasishilo ukuthi uyokhanyisa lapho koXhosa hawu Nzulu inzulu yenfihlakalo konke okufihlakele esiyokubona ngawe mfana wami that is Mpumelelo Mseleko. I do not know if he was found shaking really njengoba beshila abantu. So ke angibone ke lapha ngifuna ukuthi ngifundele ke i-comment section ngoba ngithole i-comment section busy after epostile lapha uMpumelelo Mseleko uthi yena ke kune lokungani yakhe lapha i-comment yakhe inama replies amaningi angazi bathina abantu ke lapha uthe bafowethu ningaqhathanisi ukuthanda izingane zami nokunye uma wazo sihlukene ngimufisele nenhlahla inkinga nje izingane ezizohamba zihlukumezeke mhlabe exabana. And then the big question is ngubani uthe bayoxabana. So wasesisho omunye lapha wathi that bridge will be crossed when they get there. Unfortunately ke Westbindi there are consequences for every action, losing your kids being one of them. And then omunye wasembuza uthi bexabaniswa yini, are you praying for her marriage to fail already? What God has blessed nobody can curse, no weapon shall prosper against Vuyo's marriage. Someone said ethi Sibindi Mseleko kwasuka ke uncede kwahlala ukhozi. By the way, if you maintain them consistently I'm sure ngeke balambe. So for me that was my question ukuthi umethi ningalambi ubaba ekhona angithi you are still going to maintain them kanti masebelotsholwe ke noma wabo ngenye indoda which means wena awusenzi lutho. I don't know you guys, I'm just asking there ngoba bayolamba kanjani kanti ke ngoba phela uzoba maintain yena abantwana bakhe lapha. So bazolamba belanjiswa yini is a big question. Nokuthi kukhona abantu kade bethi hayibo bayolamba kanjani ngoba baba omusha ungumpheki. Uyazi people on the comment section bathi baba ungumpheki so bayolamba kanjani abantu ngoba baba uyapheka. Then someone was saying here he's already praying for their downfall. Khohlakele lo mfana. Kuningi you guys, don't worry, Futhi Xolani is a chef so the babies won't be hungry. That is another comment about ukulamba kwabantwana bazolamba kanjani ubaba omusha ukhona ubaba wangempela ukhona. So no ithuni ngoba bengane nikhona ingane ngeke zize silambe ayikho leyo nto nje. Kunomuntu obethe Tirelo manipulated both of you and Vuyo. She spoke low of Vuyo to you and acted as if the two have this perfect relationship kuVuyo so she could feel that she's less loved. I honestly I believe that you love Vuyo and you enjoy time with Tirelo as evuma ahleke yonke into. I really hope that you and Vuyo will put pride and differences aside and co-parent well. She's genuine and pure-hearted, so if you approach her with respect, I don't think uzoba unreasonable. Khohlwane media and do the right thing for the kids, which is another comment. Omunye wasethi wesibindi ukuze into zakho zibe right ake ulalela abazali bakho basuke bengahlanyi mabekubonisa relationships do end but uyakhumbula kubaba wakho ethi kwi-meeting you are disrespecting these girls. People are not angry at the fact that you guys broke apart. They are angry at you disrespecting uVuyo and allowing your other girlfriends to do the same. then waphendula lapha nosithi lalela mina ngiyohleli ngimi ngezinyawo akukho mfazi wangigibele ekhanda. Ayizimpendulo kaSibindi Mseleko. Hayi asazi. Then someone said, say what you want to say, but you really lost a good woman. Your family lost a good daughter-in-law. Ask yourself why the whole country loves Uvuyokazi. We can't all be wrong, but someone is character, but you are still young, you won't see it now. Good luck for the future. Iqinisekile guys umpumelo laphana ulahlekelwe ingoba nje usabusy ngamantombazana amaningi into akayiboni into emlahlekele comes to Uvuyokazi. But anyways, just like the comment said, usasemncane that's why engakuboni kodwa uyophaphama lethu uyomkhumbula Uvuyokazi. So angazi, someone said the funny thing about this is that when a comment was made about your son during the filming of the dinner party on Izingane Nesthembu by Tirelo, you sat there and stood still like a statue while your very son's existence was ridiculed and limited to a simple ploy of international jealousy, because according to Tirelo, according to Tirelo, Uvuyokazi internationally became pregnant with a son because of her, because of Tirelo. You sat there and said nothing. Now you expect us to feel sympathy for you. You also made very wild accusations and assumptions that your kids will go hungry and be abused, which is a weird statement to make. Having your kids separated from you is the result of your own inadequacies, whatever. Because you as a man looking to be in a polygamous relationship failed to keep your family together by first disrespecting these women, by pinning them against each other and not doing the right by their families. We also how you were quick to go pay for your old love Nompumelo's family by failed to go pay for your kids because you just didn't want to, not because you couldn't, but you didn't want because you clearly you have money to do so. Omunye wathi waze wago abakithi Mthombe nomncane nxese kuzodlula. Hope this is a lesson learned. Hope you will treat your future partners well, not le obuyenza kuVuyokazi. You ill-treated her, shame. So I asazi. And then someone said, when Vicky said your kids will be raised by another man, Musi, you said it's fine. Kunjani ke makunje? Ngoba sengathi nje uyatatazela nje ama post angapheli. Uvuyokazi should just take the kids to UK so they can call you daddy in London, isn't? Mitisa Tirelo, she can do anything for you, Musi. Tirelo is kind of like a makhumalo, like, you know. Tirelo ngathi funa uzenza amakhumalo ukuthi ubaba mayethi yikho. I do not know. And then omunye wasembuza wathi bungahlawulingani sonke lesikhathi. Asazi. Those kids will see those clips. Trust me, Mhlopekazi and Nzulu will be happy that their mother chose herself. You can't handle what you dish out. Ha, bloody muru. Wabukisa ngovuyo. Hi guys, Uvuyo unama fans angifuna ukuniqambela amanga. Someone said you should also write that you ill-treated and made fun of their mother. Ngabantu laphana you guys bephendula uMpumelelo Mseleko emva kokuthi aposte ngengane zakhe ngoba nakho ngathi udliwa ukuthi uVuyokazi uselotshole. Then omunye wasethi ngendlela kuBaba Mseleko ebengimhlonipha ngakhona hayi cha uyehlulekile. He just wanted to see uVuyokazi kwaMseleko kodwa he couldn't tell you to lobola those kids. And all I say Mseleko will say don't pay anything to them as he wants Uvuyokazi to suffer, but and all I say, Mseleko will say, don't pay anything them as he wants Uvuyokazi to suffer. But again, you both not God. Let other men raise your kids. As Vicky said, you should have did the right thing. You carried on listening to Tirelo. Shit about Vuyo. I'm so glad Uvuyo won't allow her kids next to Tirelo cause unenhliziyo emdaka ningcolile salani nincenga. We are out. Hayi bazohamba bahamba yibosala bencenga ke uMpumelelo no Tirelo beno Nompumelelo since kuthiwa ke ewahamba wayokhokha ngale kubo ka Nompumelelo, the ex-girlfriend one, the first one. Angazi mina you guys kuningi phela ngoMpumelelo kuningi. So abantu bathi uyagowisha uMpumelelo you guys uyazini uposta epostile bathi udliwa ile ndaba kaVuyokazi yokuthi ulotshwele. So hey guys, I know how much you hate uMpumelelo, but Mhlopekazi was safe and happy noma yini kodwa ke sizothini. Zonke lezi izinto zikaMpumelelo Nkosi yami wasehlukanisa umayini noMhlopekazi kodwa ke abantwana you guys kuya cooperate you guys kuya cooperate. So it's not like uma bengaleke kasabelo, it's not like ngeke baze kubo kaMseleku, is something naye nje umethi ingane zami ningazolamba babe khona bazolanjiswa yini. Keep maintaining your kids, ngeke baze balambe wena ukhona uzoyenza lokho kufanele njengobaba wabo as umama wabo naye eshadiwe kwenye indawo, wena continue being a father to your children, so bazobe belamba ukuthi kwenze njani, you know. Hayi ubhaliswa yikho lokuthi uyagowisha, nothing else. For me nje ngumgowisho nje wonke lo, angazi your thoughts in the comment section. But he was found taking you guys and posting a whole lot of things kuningi. But anyways, asizwe uvo lakho ka comment section like video, usubscribe, ushare, sibonane futhi kwenye landelayo. Bye.